Good morning, children. I am Kesan sir from Dr. Basan School, working as mathematics teacher. So, in our previous class, we have discussed lines and rays topic. Now, today also we have to continue the same topic. So, what is our topic today? Lines and rays. Lines and rays. See, in our studio book, actually, up to page number 6 we have completed. Next to page number 7. Now we have to start from page number 7. Once you see the page number 7, one table is given. The table I will write here. Just you have to observe this. Number measured in, so this is the number. Next, measured in next, object where you found. So object where you found, the line segment, where you found the line segment, okay. Next, what is the length, okay. So first of all, one, now condition is given, what, whose length is more than 1 meter, so look around a spot of two line segment whose length is in centimeter and one whose length is more than 1 meter, measure and record them in the table. So from your surroundings, okay, you have to identify some objects. From that objects you have to find out line segments, and what is the measure of the line segment. It should be centimeter, it should be meters, but more than 1 meter. The condition is what? More than 1 meter. So first of all, one thing, so measured in centimeter. What is that? Measured in centimeter. Next, object where you found. Object, suppose I found from textbook, okay, okay. So this is, there is a length, there is a breadth, okay na. So something from object where you found, so from book, okay. So what is the length? So by using scale you can find out what is the length. Suppose it is 10 centimeter. What is the length of this book? 10 centimeter. So this is the first one, okay. Next, what about second? Number 2, measured in. This time we have to continue in meters, okay. We have to continue in meter. Objects where you found the line segment, okay. We have found, okay, table. What is the table or bench, okay, or table or bench. Suppose take bench, okay, bench. What is the length of the bench? So length of the bench is 2 meters. Length of the bench, we got it, okay, 2 meters. So this is the second one. Next, third one, so again measured in meter. This time I found Blackboard. Blackboard. What is the length of the blackboard? The length of the blackboard. Length of the blackboard in meters. Okay, 3 meters. 3 meters. This is the activity I have done here. Like this, you have to do. Okay, same thing, no need to copy. You can do it, this activity, yep, according to availability objects from your surroundings or in your home. Understood or not? Okay, so this is the page number 7. Think of a line segment which should be measured in kilometer, gives how long in might be. See, think a line segment which should be measured in kilometers. Suppose one is a point. Observe here, what is the definition of the line segment? The definition of the line segment means it is a part of a line. It has a 2 endpoints. It has a 2 endpoints. Okay, so it has a particular length. It has a particular length. Okay, so Visayanagaram diagram. Next, this is Visakhapatnam. So in between, the distance between the Visayanagaram and Visakhapatnam, suppose take it as a straight length 55 kilometers. 55 kilometers. So here this is one point A and one endpoint A and another endpoint B. The line segment is AB 55 kilometer. This is the activity. So your wish, you can, your choice, you can write any some examples. Okay, think and do it. Okay, this is the second one. Next, come to see here, page number 8. Look within is there. So what is look within? So look within means learn about yourself. You have to learn yourself. Okay, you have to learn yourself. What do you have to learn yourself? See, so then once you note down this one with pencil, you can note down in studio book. Use the pencil only, don't use pen. Once you note down, okay, I think it is over. Next, observe this one. Again, one more activity given. See, figure 6 shows a line segment. All the points on this line segment represent days. Imagine that point B represents the day you were born. Okay, the day you were born. So this is the one point, and this is the another point. One point B indicates date you were born. Date you were born. Here B, T indicates, this is another T, represent today's, today. So what is B indicates? Date you were born. What is T indicate? Means today's date. Today's date. Okay, this is today's date. Suppose it is a one point B. This is the another point T. Join this B and T. What you can get? You can get a line segment. You can get a line segment. So line segment joined by the 2 points. So one is date you are born. That is what? B. So another one is today's date. What is the point T? So what is the line segment? Line segment BT. Line segment BT. That means BT bar. That means BT bar. So this is the activity. So describe the line segment. Pick any 2 points you marked and write why they are important to you. Why they are important? This is your date of birth. Okay, which date it is? Date you were born. Date you were born. So what is this another date? Today's date means today, present date. So these 2 points, that is take it as a 1 point, take it as another point, join these 2 points. What you can get? You can get a line segment. So this is the mathematical approachment, the relation between the date you were born to today's date. Okay, how much nicely expressed? Okay, is it clear? See, that connection joined with line segment. The relation between date of birth to today's date. Here what? That connection joined with line segment. So this is the, in general life, how can imagine, suppose point, how we can imagine in our general life. Suppose a line, how we can imagine in our life. So line segment, how we can imagine. So this is the mathematical approachment you have to understand. Clear? Next. Come to page number 9. Page number 9. Studio book only. Page number 9. Page number 9. Extend all the line segment in the diamond given in figure 7 till they touch the sides of the box. Then extend these to touch the boundary of the space 8 at 8 different points. Okay, next. This is diagram I am drawing here. Concentrately listen. Join these two. Join you have to join. Next. Here. Now, DJ looks like a diamond. It looks like a diamond. Just you can extend this one, 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 same you can extend this one, you can extend this one, we can got it a diamond, yes or not? So this line segment we have to extend, we join these two. This line segment you have to extend like this, this line segment you have to extend like this, this line segment you have to extend like this. So observe this one. So take a pencil and scale, just you have to extend through the same, draw line segment. Observe here, I will show what you have to do, just wait. Next you have to extend yes, now I will show this. Okay, so this is a activity you have to do this. Observe here, a segment means a part of a piece of a larger object, which larger object is a line segment a part of. Observe here, this is, suppose this is the part of this total, this is the part of this one. Okay, so line segment, from this what we can understand, line segment is a part of. What is the part of? It may be bigger line segment, so this is the smaller one, this is the bigger one, so smaller one is a part of bigger one, and smaller one is part of a line also. Okay, so this is a some part. Okay, now come to the point. Next, see, a larger line segment can be formed by extending given line segment. A larger line segment can be formed by extending a given line segment beyond its points. When you extend beyond the endpoints of the line segment, you get a line, it extends in both the directions without an end. A line is the a line is the mother of the line segment. A line is the mother of the line segment with no end points. With no end points. See. So this is the line. Suppose this is the A, point A. This is the point B. Now observe here. This one you have to draw here. So this is A, this is B. Okay, so where you got the line segment AB? Where you got the line segment AB? From this line only. So how to indicate? This is what? Line AB. This is a line AB. So line AB means what? Line AB means, mathematically we have to approach line AB. Line segment AB, how we can approach? AB bar. AB bar. This is the relation between from line to line segment. This relation only explained in page number 9. Understood or not? Now continue. Suppose AB line segment. Now observe here the line segment AB. Line segment AB. AB. B. Some more you can extend. Suppose this is the point D. Now extend left hand side. So we got it another point C. Now CD is line segment. This is the line segment CD. Okay. So line segment CA. Yes. Line segment AB. Yes. Line segment BD. Yes. Line segment CB. Yes. The line segment CD. Yes. Understood or not? Why? Because here line segment CA. What are the endpoints? C and A. So what about line segment AB? What A and B are the endpoints. Next, line segment BD, B and D are the endpoints. What about line segment CB? C and B are the endpoints. What about the line segment CD? C and D are the endpoints. So, okay, this is now. Suppose if we extend indefinitely, suppose I extended up to D. Now I am extending continuously, indefinitely. How much I can extend in the left hand, right hand side? I don't know. That means what? It's a continuous process. It is going on. Still, it is not end. It is going on from the left hand side. Now it becomes what? Now it becomes what? Ray. Now it becomes what? Ray. Now this side also means left hand side also you can extend. You can extend the left hand side also. It is also continuous process. Now it becomes what? Line. It becomes what? Line. So this is the relation between line segment ray. Okay. So this is the very important. You can understand the relation between these line segment and ray. Okay. Next. The page number 10. Once you open the page number 10, page number 10. This is page number 10. This diagram once you see. See, mark points on the lines to name both the lines and any two line segment. Mark points on the lines. Suppose this is the one line. This is the another line. Okay. So this is next. Mark points on the lines. Okay, mark points on the line. Suppose this is A. It is, let it be B. Now C. Now mark the points or not? Yes. And any two line segment, name of line. First one what? Name of line. Can you say name of line? Line AC, line AB, line AC, line AB. So AC, AB. Observe here, AC and AB. Name of line. Name of line 1. What is name of line 1? Now name of line 1. So what is the name of line 1? What is 1? What is 2? Line 1. So this is take it 1. This is 2. So line 1. Then what? Line AC. Line AC. Clear children? Next 2. name of line, name of line 2, line 2, this is 1, this is 2. Then what is that? Line AB, line AB. Next, name of line segment. See, this is the name of line. Next, name of line segment. Name of line segment 1. Segment 1. So, what is the name of line segment 1? Okay. Name of line segment 1. Observe here. What is the name of line segment 1? Okay. So, AC. AC. Take AC bar. Why? Because A and C are the end points. Okay. Next, name of line segment, another one more you can find it. Name of line segment 2 means already we got it one more. AB bar. That means line segment AB. So, not only 1, 2, you can take that one, this one, 2 also. Not only particular it is a 1, it is 2. Just see how to identify the one line means 2 lines. So, first one what? The second one what? If it is right here, if you write here also there is no problem, nothing to worry. Okay, you have to identify, anyhow you have to identify 2 lines, 2 line segments. One line is AC, okay, line AC, line AB. Line segment AC, line segment AB. What is the difference between name of line AC, line AC and line segment AC? So, if line AC means here A and C are not endpoints. Here A and C are not endpoints. In the line AC, A and C are not endpoints. What about the line segment AC? Here compulsory A and C are endpoints only. A and C are endpoints only. That is the difference between the name line AC and line segment AC. Same, line AB and line segment AB. What is the difference? Here A and B are not endpoints. A and B are not endpoints. Okay, A and B are only the points on the line AB. A and B are only the points on the line AB. What about line segment AB? Here compulsory A is the one end point, B is the another end point. B is the another end point. So, this is the page number 10 studio book. Understood? Children, once you see this diagram, okay children, now again next class we will meet again. What is today's homework? Means you have to do 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So, today's homework 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. You have to practice 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 homework. And what I have explained, everything you have to note down in your classwork. And this 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 particularly you have to do in homework book also. Understood or not? Clear? Okay. I hope you can understand very well. Thank you. Thank you very much. Next class again we will meet tomorrow.